और जय हो बंबई धाम की, है बंबई नगरिया तू देख बबुआ, है बंबई नगरिया तू
नवीन चेहरा आली होती सरांची.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
Can they see us? Can they hear us?
Yeah, we can see you. You're nice and alive. Tell us.
Hello, hi guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you very well.
Can you hear us?
Yeah, only thing is I'm echoing. There is a lot of echo there. I can hear you loud and clear. I don't know you guys who are there, who's there. Can I identify you with your voices there?
Yeah, I am Dr. Sanjay Mehrotra. I'm a cardiologist from Bangalore. You know me well. And with me is Dr. Adi Raju.
Oh yes, hi Sanjay, how are you?
I am fine, how are you? Tell me what you're going to show.
This is Dr. Adi Raju from Philadelphia. Yes.
I'm good. Well, we are at the outset, let a warm welcome from Amchi, Mumbai. Basically we are really all heated up here because there's a lot of people in the lab. We are all very excited. At the outset, let me thank Srinivas Kumar, that is, for giving us an opportunity for the third time in a row to perform over here. And of course, acknowledgements are due also to my colleagues here. I'll quickly show you. This is Dr. Charan Lanjewar, my associate, head of the other unit, but we work as one unit. Then there is Milind Phadke and there is Rishikesh. Not to forget our team of able sisters and residents who've been up all night trying to put this show together, Surinder Kaur and her team. And at the head end, we have the short little lady there, that's Dr. Aarti Kulkarni. Incidentally, she's the better half of our cardiac surgeon who's also on standby. So thanks to all of them. We have a very interesting case which Dr. Vinay Jaiswal, my fellow, is going to be giving you the history. Vinay, are you ready?
Our patient is a 34-year-old female patient, symptomatic since 3 months for exertional dyspnea class 2. She showed on examination wide pulse pressure, cardiomegaly of right ventricular type and a continuous murmur heard over left parasternal region. Chest X-ray showed cardiomegaly with plethoric lung fields. The ECG showed sinus rhythm with right bundle branch pattern. The echo showed this. I'll play this. Yeah. On echo, there was evidence of a ruptured sinus of Valsalva aneurysm from NCC to the RV inflow, measuring up to 5 millimeters at the aortic end and 10 millimeters in length. It also showed a moderate sized ostium secundum ASD measuring 12 millimeters with left to right shunt with a deficient aortic rim, but the other rims were suitable. There was evidence of mild right atrial and ventricle volume overload. There was trivial AR, trivial TR and a mild PH. Good biventricular function. We have also published, done a similar case in 2010, May 2010 as a stage procedure. Our patient was a 37-year-old lady who had a ruptured sinus of Valsalva aneurysm from NCC to RA and a large ASD which needed a balloon sizing, which can be seen in these images. Over to Dr. Praful Kerkar sir for further discussion.
Well, Sanjay.
Yes.
So you saw that Vinay presented to you the transthoracic echo of our patient here, who is not very symptomatic for an RSOV because the RSOV is small, unlike our last patient that he showed you. So let us, by the time we have got the patient under general anesthesia for the sake of TOE, and therefore also because we strongly believe in TOE, and to tell you about TOE, here we have some recorded images which will be shown. Are you guys getting to see the TOE?
No, we're not. So you can ask them to show you in set and show the TE as the full screen. Can you show the imaging of the...
Can we have an insert for the TOE? Yeah, there you can see it now.
We see it now. We see it now.
Can you see the images on the TE now on the
Yes.
monitor?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, so we have done a live TE in this patient, and we can see the short axis. We can very well see the short axis of the aorta, and you can see the rupture of sinus of Valsalva aneurysm there, which has been ruptured into the RV inlet. You can see the STL movements there, but it's quite away from the STL as such if you measure. Go to the next view, please. Dr. Ashish has very well, excellently recorded the images for us. We can see the very nice inlet, the entry point of RSOE there. Can you measure that, Ashish? Yes, so it is about, it's coming 5.5 millimeter, 4.5 millimeter, and there is a beautiful tunnel which is going into the, can you show the exit now?
Can you show it by the marking the...
It's 4.5 millimeter measuring from the aortic end.
Right.
Yes, we are trying to show that. Okay. Yeah. And show the color images, please. Yeah, this is the, you can see the color jet into the TR along with the TR jet. You can see the different jets, red as well as blue there. Next, please. Yeah, this is a beautiful imaging now. Here you can see the RSV measuring very short tunnel, and 4.5 millimeter on the aortic.
If I may interrupt, you can actually see the flow acceleration in the aorta.
Right.
And at the level of the aorta, the inlet point itself is quite a small one. It's about 4 millimeters or so.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can see the red flame going up there. And that's some amount of TR also.
Sure. Yeah, we can see it very well. It's a nice demonstration.
So in this patient, there is also ASD, which is about a small to moderate size ASD. Yes, in the short axis, there is no aortic rim to this defect, and it is measuring in this view about 12 millimeter as the largest size. And in the bicaval view, again, it is about 11.5 millimeter or so. So that's about the TE. Any questions on the TE, please?
No, we can very well see the RSOV into the right ventricle, and of course you are showing it now, and we can see all the small ASD. So what's your plan?
Yes.
How you're going to approach it?
The interesting part of the color flow.
Yeah.
The whole issue is that unlike our previous case, where it was a acute heart failure that the patient came in, and we decided to stage that procedure to avoid the complexity of trying to get in 2 or 3 venous sheaths, then one device, whilst doing one device, dislodging the other, etc. As also, if you remember from what he had shown you and the report if you go through, we actually landed up putting in a smaller ASD device at a second stage when he did it 6 weeks later, letting the RSOV device to endothelialize, and 6 weeks later when we did that patient, we were quite happy putting in a smaller size ASD. By about 4 millimeters, the ASD size had decreased. But out here, as you can see, Sanjay, that both these defects are small. There is, of course, a shunt plethora. Patient is recently symptomatic, probably again, which means there is a small rupture of the RSOV that's caused her to be symptomatic. So up until we came live, we've done some recordings, we've done some catheterization already, and I'll take you to the live images, okay?
Sure.
What we have recorded thus far.
Angiogram.
Yeah, we started off with, we took accesses in both the groins. The accesses that I have are 2 femoral veins, one in the left and one in the right.
Can you ask the cameraman? Can you ask the cameraman?
Arterial access, we went up there and did a...
So we can see it very well. The images are now visible.
Can you see the images now?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so through a pigtail, you can see that it's a non-coronary sinus, and through that you can see that RSOV. Also you can actually appreciate some AR, also possibly because we are right into the root. A very whiff AR also which is appreciated here on the echo, which AR should not contraindicate a closure of the RSOV.
Yes, we can see it very well. It's a very nice
Okay.
jet. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is like a nice windsock. Yeah. Very special wire, the noodle wire, which is almost like a noodle without a core body, and which I have parked in the left pulmonary artery. But you can see there is a nasty loop in the RV there. I went ahead and tried to snare this. Now you can see next there is an exchange length wire from the right femoral vein going up there, and I could not get the snaring catheter initially in. Then I could get the snaring catheter in over an extra stiff Amplatz wire, and I snared it, but you can see this loop was so nasty, and it was kind of giving me a tremendous resistance as if I have gone through some tricuspid valve apparatus. So I redid the whole thing again, and this is the second attempt as you can see that I have snared and exteriorized the wire. Now exteriorize the wire through the right femoral vein. So I have a nice, what you call an arteriovenous loop going in from the left femoral artery and coming out of the right femoral vein across the RSOV. Besides that, you can see I have already got a right coronary catheter through the other femoral vein across into the right superior pulmonary vein through the ASD defect. Now the plan is whether we should just do the RSOV and deploy the device and then we should have crossed. I thought not so, in order not to dislodge the device during trying to cross the ASD. So with everything across, now what I propose to do, Sanjay, is go ahead and exchange it for a sheath.
Correct.
Exchange the arteriovenous wire for a sheath.
Sure. So in the meantime, while you're doing that,
Okay.
why do you
Are there
think...
any questions at this stage that anybody would want to ask?
Yeah, I have a question, and while you're doing it, what was the reason...
Yeah, go ahead.
What was the reason for your first snaring to be so hard? Why did you find... What was the reason for that?
Yeah, because I think the two mistakes there. It's possible I went just with the wire up there, I went through some chorda in the right ventricle,
Right.
especially while getting the snaring catheter out.
Right.
Especially while putting in the snaring catheter, and I continued to retain the catheter loop also. If you see, the noodle falls in place quite well.
Right. So what
So,
size of
That's one of the
device
reasons, and
are
you got to
going
be very
use?
careful. You don't want to Now what does the audience feel there? I have a 4 to 4.5 millimeter RSOV, and I am, as is my usual practice, I'm going to be using a
A 6?
I'm going to be using an ADO, that is the ADO generation 1.
Right.
That is because it's nicely, now you can see I'm able to track this sheath quite well, okay?
Yep.
That's gone up there. We actually go right into the descending aorta with the sheath so as to not plop it back. There you can see. Now I'll get the sheath in there, and there I am, okay?
Yep.
So now I will break the circuit here. Okay, now I'll break this circuit here, and I'm ready. As I'm breaking the circuit, cap that other one, please. Yeah. So I've broken the circuit, and I'm ready to flush both the right coronary catheter as well as this. Now one could actually exchange that. Why don't you, in the meantime, we'll exchange that right coronary catheter for a pigtail
Sure.
to have any online angiography.
Right.
Having said that, the online angiography is not that important. Is because if you saw all those images, and if you can see in the inset, you can actually see my sheath traversing so well. Now onwards, even if I don't do fluoroscopy, it's still fine, you see.
Yeah, you
And
could-
we had one such RSOV, which we did it without a drop of contrast.
Yeah, you can see your
It's
sheet
because-
across the RSOV extremely well.
Because
Pigtail.
extremely well. Now, what device size does the audience feel there? Or Sanjay, you might tell us what size device, because we have chosen a 8x6.
Yeah, 6'8", that's
Also
what I
because
thought.
if you see, the commissure is extremely close there.
Yeah,
And it's
so I
quite-
think it would be
Yeah,
important for
8.6
you
is what we're
to,
going to use.
it would be important for you to make sure that, you know, you don't worsen the AR, which is close to this, isn't it?
Exactly. So that's what we are going to monitor online. Now, coming to the fact that how important is online angiography? I don't think it is very important. Meaning it is, of course, meaning you always where a patient can tolerate. Most of these RSOVs, as you know, are in heart failure. And the last one that we did just on transesophageal echocoherence was in a renal shutdown and on dialysis. And could not obviously tolerate any contrast.
Device can
Give me the ASD sheet and the wire to exchange.
ASD
it.
sheet,
So
exchange wire
also, now, Sanjay, what I'm going to do is, though my sheath is in place,
Right.
I'm going to now get the ASD sheath also in place.
So what you do?
So after having deployed the RSOV, I'll also
device kar raha hu.
So you want to do both of them in quick succession, is that right?
go in with the ASD device quickly. Exactly. Because one thing I do not want to just implant the RSOV device and leave it there on a cable. Sometimes they tend to slip, as you know. These RSOV walls are very flimsy.
So 6/8, Dr.
So I have
Kota?
taken the RSPV approach just because it as a matter of convenience. But by and large, if it were a large defect with a deficient aortic rim, I do prefer the RSOV approach. Sorry, I mean the RSPV approach.
Hold on.
Okay.
So
Well,
he's
so whilst
planning
we
to
get
close,
ready,
he's planning to close both together.
Well, when you have eyes in, it's a good idea to do both together.
राहू दे मग, राहू दे.
Okay.
Without
So now we will first.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah. So shall we now go ahead with the RSOV deployment, and this wire is across.
Sure.
You won't get that sheath in because in a low pressure LA circuit, to keep a sheath long may not be good. We'll deploy the RSOV device. We might even, we'll even release it because rarely you do not, and look at the AR that is.
Right,
If the AR is more, we are not going to go ahead and waste a sheath on the ASD.
correct.
Right, because anyway then we would prefer surgery.
Sure.
Load करता हूँ.
And are there any predictors of determining this AR? Not really. And this AR may not necessarily occur because of the encroachment of the device on the valve. It could also occur just sheerly because of aortic mismatch. And I wonder if you can see that trivial AR.
But I think it's a very, very small amount of AR. Unless it increases and becomes significant, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah,
Just-
exactly. But you all the same need to monitor it. And sometimes post RSOV, we get that extra AR that is exactly this small amount, which our group is the only group that has reported this occurrence of AR. And as I was telling you, it may not necessarily occur because of what you call encroachment of the device on the leaflets, or the commissures for that matter. It occurs due to afterload mismatch. And we have had some ARs disappearing later as well.
Or could it
So as you
also,
can see guys here, we are using a ADO2. For the benefit of the audience, do we want to show the ADO?
He has shown it.
Sorry, I mean ADO1. Is there any ADO that has been shown, the pamphlet or whatever? Yeah. Yeah, please focus on that. So that's what we are using.
Yeah,
8 by 6.
we saw it. He showed it
So my
already.
guys have nicely prepared the...
We have
Okay,
seen.
great.
We have seen it.
Great, come here. And now I am ready to go with the... Okay, now I am ready to go with the ADO. Come here and hold it. Yeah. So I have got a 8 by 6 in there, and I am...
इथून delay करा, Y connector.
I'm getting some resistance here. Okay, I'm through. Just let us screen it in the IVC itself to see that there is no issues about the...
good.
Okay, can you guys see that?
Yeah, we can see it.
So there was some resistance at the... Yeah, there was some resistance. Can we go on a single mag and can we go LAO
it's
cranial,
probably
please,
a
guys?
kink sheet? Just a groin kink.
Not really. This
Sheath
was
was not
absolutely a New York sheath. It's got nothing to do with the kinking of the sheath. It was a junction,
Where it enters.
Okay, can I get this coming up a little bit?
Can you take the probe up? Ashish?
Probe up, please. Heliocranial, same view.
Same. More probe.
So this is my pigtail. I'm here. I'm supposed to be coming out here. So I get the pigtail first out of harm's way. Okay, so let me now get the... Okay, can we go online and show where we are?
Can put in the probe.
Can you see the...
We can see both the fluoro as
Okay,
well as
okay,
the
can you pull the
TE.
probe out first for a little while? Can I...
You could just show us the ultrasound.
Okay, now let me extrude the disc. Okay, the disc is extruded.
Yes, we can see. Can you show the TE, please? You pulled it up. You pulled it up.
Okay, show us the
Okay,
TE,
now
please.
show it the
Yes.
TE, please.
Show the TE, please, not the
somebody
monitor.
needs to show the TE. Yeah, that's better. Can you see the TE now?
We
You can
can.
see very well the device, one
There you
disc,
go.
one disc is
Nicely
already there.
sitting in the
And
aorta.
now while
ascending
it's
aorta.
coming, sometimes you do land up encroaching on a leaflet.
Yes. Ashish, zara central में.
Yeah.
Bring the image in the
Can
center.
you see the image? Okay, I have come way down, but it's along the posterior border.
Yeah, you are yet to reach, sir. Now, I think.
Now you're stuck. Yeah? You're okay?
Okay, there. Show me the device. Yeah, just be that way.
Yeah.
Can you see? I'm
Yeah.
on
Yeah,
the T.
yeah.
No, there is some resistance there. Okay.
But you look all
Okay,
right
good.
there.
There it is.
Yeah.
Can you see my sheath is actually... Yeah, I look all right.
Yeah. Second, this head.
Is there a bit of tethering of that
Yeah, it
cusp?
looked like it tethered on the leaflet.
Is the pressure is
Yeah.
okay?
Let's go on an echo.
Yeah, pressure is fine. It's
Pressure
maintaining
is
100,
okay.
110.
Do you want to put a color there
In
and
fact,
see if there is a
before we
turbulence
start, it
across
was
the aortic
96
valve?
valve.
No,
Yeah,
fine.
go
Ashish,
ahead
put the
guys.
colors.
If you can show the color across the aortic valve.
That looks good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yes, there is, you can see that. Okay, go short axis
There is
of
no
the
increase
aorta.
in the AR.
There is no increase in AR, and I am looking at actually deploying the PA end.
Even the TR looks the same, right?
You would not do
The
an
TR,
Would you like to put a continuous wave across the aortic valve and see if there is a gradient? Or I felt that the aortic cusp, the leaflet tethered a bit.
no, I don't think so.
No, it's-
I don't think that.
No, I can see it
Yeah,
opening now.
Put a
It's opening
continuous
now.
across the aortic valve and see if there is a gradient.
Yeah, it's
put a
fine.
No, that looks nice and lamellar. That
It's
should be
fine.
good.
It's fine. It's
It's a
fine.
very good view now. Yes.
Okay, so I will deploy the rest of the device.
To be good.
The TR is the same.
Yep.
The TR is the same. Can you see the red flow?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to
So take.
go to 2D and just show the device. Yeah, that's better.
Same.
Okay.
Yes, keep it, please.
Okay, there
That's
goes.
good. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to get that.
Show the both discs. Ashish.
It looks good.
What do you think, guys?
It looks good.
It looks good. Now let's look at the AR in all views and everything again.
Put the colors in the article. Ashish. Okay.
There's some residual.
We'll give some time.
Yes.
Yeah,
There is no
sometimes you need
increase
to-
in the AR as such, right? Reflex wise. Shows the short axis of the aorta.
What about the heart? Now put this thing for AR.
Great. In fact, AR has
So there is
decreased.
no increase in the AR, just that little blue flame. So do you want an aortogram at this stage, or shall we just...
Only
Release
reason you
it.
can do the aortogram is to see the leak through the RSOV. AR is not of any concern because there is no AR at all.
No, but the leak you can see, actually you can see, because it's not going to change our decision. You can still see there is a leak, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that you just have to give time, right? So
Yeah.
there's no point in doing an aortogram.
For the sake of showing us, you can actually do it.
Should we do an aortogram? Only thing is that, you know what, the aortogram, I am going to do it is just because having closed this, whereas there is something else that is leaking from somewhere else. Because if you saw the,
Now it's
you know,
better.
because the aortogram from before, just play that aortogram from before, from pre-aortogram. Okay, get ready for the aortogram, guys.
This, this is the aortogram I want to talk about.
Is there anything else over and above that RSOV? Not really, right?
Well, I think that this aortogram will
The
confirm
shunt looks
that.
pretty big here.
Yeah, it looks like a clean
Yeah,
jet.
okay, let's do that then. Are we set, family?
थोड़ा वर्ग है सर पिक्चर
Pro work.
ओपन वर्ग
Okay, that should be good.
सेंटर yeah.
Ready? Kamli, you just fill up the catheter. Okay, ready.
Show a bit more of RV.
Are we ready?
Okay.
Okay. Ready, guys?
Go ahead.
Inject. It's all through that.
It's all through the device.
Side of the device, it is just in center.
Yeah, there is actually a delayed filling.
Yes,
It
yes.
just
Yeah.
fills the device.
Okay, it's all through the device, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
See,
Yes, there is some
So are we
delay.
good to release?
Maybe you want to wait a couple of minutes before you release it and then see the color.
Okay.
and then- yeah.
So let's release.
Not really.
Okay, so you think we should, my only concern is I don't like to leave this cable weight on the device here.
Yeah.
No, it's quite steady, quite stable. So we'll proceed for the ASD in the meantime, is it?
Remove the sheet.
Yeah, Dr. Ashish tells us here that the murmur is
Shows the short
virtually
axis.
not continuous anymore.
So you would like to leave the cable or release the device and then do the ASD?
Ashik, can you show us the T also at the same time?
Yeah, I would say I'll release the device and then go for the ASD.
I think that's what you should do. It looks better now. Less.
Okay.
In fact, this T image,
See, now it looks much better.
Much better,
Can you
much
see the
better.
TE now?
Maybe when you release it will realign and then even reduce that because there is
Much better.
retraction.
That's
There is
good to
retraction.
release, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll release it and then go for the ASD. Okay, you want to check, you want to get the release? Yeah,
Same
it may correct itself. You can put this in this. Don't put your hand near the fluoro. I'm going to also give
Ashish,
fluoro.
it was okay with what you were showing.
Ah, that's good, that's good. Just concentrate only on the device, Ashish. Yeah, that's good.
That's perfect.
That might correct itself a wee bit, okay?
Great.
not much correction, only that
got correct.
only that screw has got tilted for the long time that we waited. But
think
it's in
it got-
nice position.
And there is
I
no,
think your leakage is also gone, or is it there?
It's just
it's-
intermittently you see the flow. I think
Gone,
it's just
yeah, it's
filling.
That's
gone.
gone. But what about the TR, guys? Do you think it's got a whiff increase in the TR, or it's more of the same?
No, it looks
More
the
or less
same.
Okay,
Same.
it's okay.
TR remains the same.
TR remains the same. Okay, let's go for the ASD.
Sheet ready, ASD ka? Yeah, yeah.
This transmission is at time.
Let's go for the ASD, guys.
3:30.
Yeah, we'll do the pigtail angio in the end.
So
if it
you have about 10 more minutes for the transmission, so I think you
Okay,
can
guys.
close that as well in 10 minutes.
Okay, so we'll
Yes,
quickly
sure,
go
we'll be
for the.
able
We
to
are ready
finish.
with the device size also we have chosen as far as this thing is concerned. Now, what about the device size? What is your opinion? We've got the maximum dimension of 12. There's a deficient aortic rim.
Maybe 16?
Yeah.
What's the consensus there? How many of you would balloon size, or how many of you would oversize by 4
Yes,
versus
okay.
2 or 6 since she is an adult? By the way,
16 load karo.
yeah,
16 load karo.
16 एक minute, रुको, रुको.
I think 16 would be a
Quickly
good
tell
idea.
us the device size.
16, my guess.
That's exactly
Yes,
what
12
we have thought
millimeter
about.
was. Yeah. Yeah.
16, okay? Okay, we go for a 16. एक जरा रखो.
AP करो. 1 minute.
राहू दे असंच राहू दे.
ठीक आहे.
AP करतो? नाही नाही, AP नको राहू दे. थांब जरा आपण असं जाऊया आणि मग.
इथं चांगलं दिसतंय. You can see the device and everything well.
नाही, नाही, सांभाळ, सांभाळ. AP करतो.
नाही, आता AP करा sir. We'll have the better look for the sheet.
Okay, show me the AP position. No.
Yeah.
No, I have lost tags is there. Show me AP position.
JRV. You are in this thing, but
Shall I take a chance and do it just like that?
Well, and where are you right now?
that's okay. I think we can take it.
You're okay.
I am in the LA across the defect, right?
You're okay, you're okay.
I think we should be across the defect.
हाँ देखो रे LA देखो. No, this is because I was in a.
You can see the sheath tip
No,
into
No,
the
we are
LA.
out. Yeah, we are out. I'm
well.
sorry, guys.
You're out, is it?
JR de.
No, just a minute. We, JR. We are out. Sorry,
Yeah.
we were in a
Strange,
rush to
everyone's
do it because to get it in the procedure time.
घेतलं?
So
वायर लागेल वायर एक. बस
get me a Y connector. Now, how else will I put it there?
वाय कनेक्ट करू. तर तोपर्यंत JR ना आतमध्ये. हां. आतमध्ये मिळालं.
वायर घाल रे चाची वायर घाल.
सिंग बनलं.
So what are we waiting for the going into the LA?
Now, in the meantime, you could look at the RSOV.
That looks nice.
Yes, we are taking a JR there.
We are taking a JR up there. Samara, don't
नाही
push.
कुठे टाईट केलंय का सर तुम्ही एक सेकंड सर जात नाही आहे कुठे टाईट आहे का बघा एकदम जात नाही ते इथे टाईट होणार काय
जा ना.
प्रॉब्लेम काय ना
Give me a 6F.
इट्स नॉट गोइंग पकड
Okay, we are having some trouble here getting the JR across.
ओके
Can you show the fluoro or you're...
जास्त टाईट करू नका सर
We are not on the fluoro yet.
सो वाय कनेक्टर काढा
काढून
त्याच्या
दे ना
सिलेक्ट
बाबा. दुसरं मला शीत दे दुसरी शीत दे ना आणि गप्प
दुसरी
करूया.
शेत ते
दुसरी शीत दे 8F शीत दे
रेड फ्रेंच
आणि बाहेर दे ना चरण बाहेर दे ना ही काढायला शीत Okay, as you can see, now we don't want to go into the RV. I'm getting this sheet out, putting the,
Come out.
I'm putting a
Hold it, sir.
sheet in the groin, recrossing the whole business. But the purpose of having crossed it before is lost.
Yeah.
Now you got to be very careful that you don't don't get into the RV and start
JR
pushing
देना
the ADO from the RV
चांगला JR
side.
नहीं है कुठला.
Yeah.
6 French.
देना लवकर किती वेळ लावतो सर 6 फ्रेंच देना 8 फ्रेंच देना
पहिल्यांदा शीट घेता की JR घेता?
8 फ्रेंच शीट देना चरण
घेतली नवीन?
Get
Sir,
me an 8
नाही-
French
नाही
sheet
आणतोय-
fast.
आणतोय.
What happened to the sheet?
तोपर्यंत JR करायचं वेळ लागेल त्याला शीट आणायला
We are
बाहेर.
already without we are until Nanga access now. A 8 French introducer sheath is what femoral sheath which we had on table now. असं काय करतो रे
अच्छा.
दे ना 8 French sheath.
It's okay, you have 15 minutes, don't worry. You go do it coolly, there's no hurry.
Yeah, we've got 15 minutes, then we'll do it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you got
So
Talk about,
so we'll recross the defect and maybe come from the pulmonary vein, left pulmonary vein. Right corner, stiff right corner.
There's hardly any aortic rim, isn't it?
there's no
JR.
reference.
चांगला JR जो.
That
Bit,
may be
is a bit.
Exactly. So you
No
want to
rim,
go
no rim.
17 instead of 16?
That will not make any difference. It's just
Wire
the
of this.
support on the aorta would be
JR
important.
please, a stout
Because you
JR.
want it to nicely splay over the aorta.
Yeah, that's what you need to do, that you need to just play over the aorta.
तुझी शीट रेडी आहे ती सॅम्पलरची. एक वायर दे मला. आहे.
maybe the reason they lost the access.
Well, what about the heparin? Are we good on heparin?
Exactly.
Yeah, so I would like to go up into the SVC and then come down
Right,
to cross
see.
the defect.
Yeah, you may have a better orientation then of the catheter position.
Am I through?
We are across. Ashish, can
Let's
you show
just flush
something?
that. We are across.
Yeah, we can see
Can
the
you see my
sheet.
TOE guys telling me
We can
that I am
see,
across?
yeah, we can see across the ASD.
It is that during these times that you want to be careful about air.
Ash.
Go as I was telling you before, if I can go into the, no, that's appendage. Sometimes getting into, through small defects, getting into the, oh, there it is. That's it. That's the left pulmonary vein. I think I'll take that.
Is there a specific reason for you to go to the left lower
Try
lobe?
and go into the upper
Yeah,
one.
you're
there.
up now, yeah.
I'm up now. I
You're
don't
up
go
now.
lower lobe. I try and make the catheter go up. Yeah. Now, only thing is, if this were a large defect, somehow I don't know. It's never a rule as such that you want to go RSPV versus LSPV.
There is a bit of thinning of the septum.
The floppy part is a little more, and that's
Yeah.
when the RSPV.
Maybe you may be safer going for 18, or what would you do? I mean, do you want to change your strategy thinking that? Although 16 looked fine to me, but it's a bit
I was
floppy.
just talking about a 17.
Shit.
So, do you want to do 17?
We have
18?
already taken a 16.
18, not 17. Then go for 18. If you're increasing, increase by 2 rather than 1.
Oh, okay. Now the problem is that we've got a 16 already on table.
Then try that. Then try that. It's already opened up.
Should we try the 16?
Yeah, try it.
Yeah, nice. Let's get this sheet
It's
out.
already open.
Pay attention to what we are doing here. Okay. Okay, if it's already open, let's try the 16. And whether we'll accept position, we'll decide on.
Hold the wire. Pakad, this one.
Yeah, it's probably the stretch diameter. Okay, so we are across the defect and we are coming in with the sheath again. Sheath is well flushed and everything.
Yeah. Yes, another one only, no? Newer one, I guess we go.
Careful with the wire.
Yeah,
Careful with
थोड़ा
the
वायर बाहर गया तो ओके इट कैन वाई कनेक्टर लावता काय लावता हात तुमचा हात
बघितला हा जास्त आधी आहे.
फ्लश करून सेव्ह कर पकड येते this is the device, go ahead.
Okay.
बराबर है, perfect.
You loaded the device.
Yes. Show them the device if they want to see. Already shown? Okay.
What?
Okay?
This view is okay.
Yeah, great. थोड़ा central क्या से? Yes, that's fine. Okay.
Oh, am I out of the pulmonary vein or what?
No, you are okay.
Sure.
You are just behind the left main bronchus, so you're all right. Yeah.
I will go to the iliocranial.
No, don't bother. Yeah, can you see my device?
Yes, we can.
It's seen on the TE.
Not on the TE, but on fluoro.
So I start getting it.
Yeah,
No,
one
show me the
disc
short
can be
axis.
seen.
Oh, okay, guys. Can you see I'm nicely on the other side of the aorta?
As there is no aortic rim,
Yeah,
it
now we
is
can
coming little vertical, one of the disc.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
We can
Am
see
I
it there
good?
now. We can see it there.
Yes. Yeah. Show
Okay,
the-
guys.
show the center.
Looks good.
Probe push कर थोड़ा आतमध्ये. Right. Now show all the septum.
Show the short axis.
Show the short axis. Now everything is on. Show the short axis, please.
40 to 50.
Oh, still it is little slipped, is it? Or
It looks okay.
It looks
sir.
all right.
We
It's
can
just
see
a
the
little tilted. I
rims
don't think
inside
it's
the device.
Actually,
looks all
there
right.
may
Yeah,
be
the mitral's
yeah.
good. The
There may be-
mitral's good.
there may be aortic rim because it
Very
looks
much
away. So there must be aortic rim which you can't see in the TE, but there should be aortic rim because it looks all right.
Yeah, we thought as meaning initially they were talking about a wee bit of a rim. Looks all right, yeah.
It's played also.
You can see the posterior rim nicely in there.
Yeah.
And it's splayed, at least the LA disc is nicely splayed. We can expect the RA to get splayed after release, yeah?
Yeah.
बरोबर एकदम.
It's
Yeah,
played
Let's
here.
go
It's
to
played here
bicable view and
nicely.
see.
Sorry.
Yeah, the SVC rim is quite nicely set, and even the IVC rim is quite set in between the device. Can you go in little bit, Ashish? Yeah, that's very well seen on the upper part. Can you put colors there, Ashish?
Yeah, so that's the SVC rim.
Yeah.
Yes, culture SVC.
And the IVC rim as well. Huh?
It looks good.
So guys, are we good to release?
Sure.
Yeah, even the fluoroscopy looks very
Even the little tilt will correct once you release it.
Do any of you guys still do the Minnesota or what?
Well, I do it. What about you? You don't?
What is it?
No, off late I've given up. Because once I remember especially this patient, one could probably do it
Yeah,
because
maybe
it's such a
because-
small defect after all.
Yeah.
But with large defects, I'm little wary about Minnesotas.
Ashish, be in the same view where little ectopics is showing. Okay.
Is it released?
Okay. Now we are,
No, we are
ready
releasing
to
it.
release. Can you see both?
Yep. Very good.
And it's well adjusted.
Yep.
It become very coaxial with the septum now, yeah.
Hey, aorta short axis perfect दाखव रे. बाहेर काढ जरा.
You can put a colors and see that there is no residual effect. Ashish, put the colors please.
Okay, that looks good, huh?
Wonderful, wonderful.
It's all intra-device shunt little.
Angiographically it seems.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I think it is some intra-device shunt.
To talk about Prasanna a little bit. Yeah. Huh.
I did not.
You did not.
Well, we are a little bit, there is some Brady on the,
Is it because being close to devices
that's okay,
closer
the
to
PR
the...
is fine. There's some vagal effect.
Yeah, but it's all right because of the atrial septum and stretch on that.
Exactly, two devices, intracardiac, there's a lot of vagal, but there is, the PR is fine, there is still sinus bradycardia.
I know you've done well, it's wonderful.
Actually, for structural heart disease, my companion, I'm missing him. I wonder if you guys, I'm missing my companion, Dr. Prasanna Nayadish, whom we lost early part of the year,
Last
3rd Jan to be specific. And if you saw the little clip about our department that came up, he was very much there. And if you see now, the TR has actually decreased, I guess.
Exactly. I think there is gross decrease in the TR.
There is no MR, there is no TR.
No, you've done a wonderful job. It's wonderful to see two devices being both RSOB and a small ASD with a deficient aortic rim, and very well done, Dr. Kerkar. It is wonderful
case.
to have you there, and it was a nice demonstration, and I'm sure that Dr. Srinivas Kumar will keep hiring you every year. Thank you.